Yep. Yeah. Hunter. Oh my goodness.
Put it in the bag.
Now let's see what Hunter got. Bree, we might need to put batteries in her too. Oh, she is. I'll get it open. Hunter, I want to see what Hunter got.
Here you go, buddy. Still got more to open here.
Still got more presents to open.
I think that's it for right now. Let's.
Whoa! Cool! Dad, look.
Pull it up. Can you get it out?
Hunter! Yeah, it's your castle. Yes, honey.
Mom, it's okay if I do this. Oh.
I bet your dragon could do something with that. See how it's got dragon on it?
And it has a picture of a bad guy. Where?
The ogre.
Dad, how do you know it's the ogre? How is that door open? Mom, how
Well,
do
we
you
gotta
know
get
it's
it
the
out.
ogre?